Arya of grade 7 from Sunbeam International School. You all know very well about photosynthesis, but can it be evident? Can it be seen without naked eyes? What are the factors that affect photosynthesis? Let's explore it in a simple way today. As you see, I have taken 2 cups of water. Each cup has 300 ml of water. Now, I'll add a pinch of dish soap in both the cups. Now, I'll add a pinch of baking soda in a cup alone. Now, with the cup which I add baking soda, I'll mark it as A and the other as B. Now, cut leaves like this. Add 10 of them into the syringe. Now, suck some water from cup A. Push out all the air from the syringe. Make sure the leaves are floating. Now, hold the tip of the syringe and push the plunger to create a vacuum. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds while shaking it slightly. The vacuum sucks out all the air from the air pockets within the leaf discs. Now add the solution into an empty cup. Baking soda is rich in carbon dioxide, while dish soap removes all the lower surface tension. Now, add some solution from cup A up to 3 to 4 cm of depth. Do the same with solution B. I did the same with both the cups. Now, I'll keep both the cups under a light source. Now, we'll start the timer. Wow! 2 of the leaves have started floating! How does it occur? Usually, leaves have stomata present in them. Stomata is a part of the leaf where gaseous exchange takes place. So, when I created a vacuum in the first place, the vacuum sucked out all the air from the stomata. Instead of air, carbon dioxide water, which is the baking soda water, got replaced. Because of the baking soda water, the leaf got heavier in mass and it sank down to the bottom. Now, when I have kept it in the light source, we could see small air bubbles created. This shows that photosynthesis occurred. So when stomata gets in contact with the atmosphere, it becomes less in mass and it floats